Aloha, folks. My good friend Joe Hewitt is here with me today, and Joe has brought me something special. Okay, this is in the coffee family of all things. Sure doesn't resemble a coffee bean to me, but India from Africa, right?
India from Africa, yeah.
It's spelled N-D-E-A. That's a mouthful, huh? We get two consonants side by side on that.
Yeah.
And so that's Nacle latifolia. And
Yes.
I don't know. I've never eaten one, Joe. Have you?
I haven't eaten one either.
All right,
First
so
time.
this is a first, right? And so this is honest. No faking done here. If this thing tastes terrible, you're going to know it. And it has a decent fragrance. The fragrance is, I think Joe described it as...
Synthetic strawberry. It reminds me of a strawberry bubble gum I used to chew when I was a kid. That was the first thing that came to
See,
mind.
now I have this funny feeling about people and flavors is that if we've moved away from the natural world, gone into the technological world that we live in, a lot of us don't even know how to identify a natural flavor anymore.
Seriously.
You know? It was like the last time I tried to make a cherry milkshake by using sweet cherries out of my tree. Tastes like prunes. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Now, what do you want me to do, Joe? You want me to just take this in
Just
half?
cut it in half, yeah.
Okay.
The other names for this, they call it African peach or pincushion fruit. India is kind of a funny spelling, but I was expecting this fruit to get soft, but it actually is very firm and very beautiful on the inside.
Look. Isn't that cute? Wow.
Beautiful color.
Wow. Yeah, it's real pretty. And the smell doesn't put me off either. The smell is, fruity for sure.
It has kind of a mintiness to it, slightly.
There's a little herbal smell in there. It's an interesting smell. Now, you say this has got thousands of seeds and they're hidden in here. Huh?
Probably impossible to show this on camera, but there's thousands of tiny little seeds in this fruit. And what I've been told, again, I haven't tasted this yet, but I've been told the seeds have a bitterness to them, and there's so many that it'll be impossible to avoid eating them.
Well, it's a bad joke, but maybe that's why they're starving in Africa. Might have to edit that out. Okay, so I'm going to quarter it now, and then from there, we'll cut this in half this way, and you and I can... What do you think about the core?
Yeah, take the core out.
Yeah, I would.
It doesn't look too tasty.
I would. Yeah. Anybody in Africa, you can watching, you can tell me, are we doing this right? I don't know. I have no idea. Oh,
beautiful color.
Sure is pretty. Yeah.
Oh, it's slicing nicely. That's good.
Yeah, it does slice nice. I don't know anything about the skin, so I think I'm going to take the skin right off here so I don't have to bother eating it.
Yeah, let's do that.
First took a look at it, I said, that must be in the Artocarpus, like with breadfruits and jackfruits, but no, coffee family.
For those of you who might be interested in growing this, it is a very tropical plant from Africa, but there are two different species of this that both get the name India, and one of them comes from a dry, arid place, and the other one likes very swampy conditions. We believe this one is the one that likes it dry, although it did produce this fruit in orchid land, which is not a very dry place.
Well, bottoms up.
Very nice. Mildly sweet.
Yeah. A little bit strawberry-like. The seeds, of course, tiny little seeds, even smaller than strawberry seeds, that definitely add to this feeling of it, that being the strawberry, that crunchiness.
Yeah, they do look like strawberry seeds, don't they?
But
crunchy.
So a subtle smell with the strawberry and also the crunchy seeds. But your buddy was right. The seed has a bitter tang. And it's too small to get it out of the fruit. So I have a good question. How do we seed this thing to plant some?
Yeah.
We're going to have to plant the whole dang thing. I don't know what to do there.
You could probably just slice it thin and let them dry and then just separate it.
Yeah.
It's not off-putting bitterness, though. It doesn't ruin it for me.
No, it doesn't. It's very subtle. It's not real bad.
It has the texture to me of an overripe apple. But
Yeah,
it's crunchy, but it's starting to soften a little bit.
A little bit. It's unusual. It isn't all that strange though, as far as the fruit's concerned. You know, like I say, the crunch of the seeds like a strawberry or a kiwi. There's a little bit about the way the inside of it's arranged that kind of reminds me of a kiwi fruit. To tell you the truth.
Yeah.
There, and the flavor isn't over the top. It's mild, but it is sweet. Sweet, slightly acidic.
This fruit was picked off the tree. I was told that when they fall on the ground, they're a little better. But this tree is being attacked by rats, so my friend had to pick the fruit when he had the chance.
Boy, I hate rats. I hate rats. Yeah. No, I'm in constant war with the rats here.
Yeah.
But I don't take any quarters with them. They're dead rats if they come in here. So anyway, there you go. India,
African peach.
India, the African peach. Well. There you go, folks. A new one on us. It's easier to eat than it is to figure out how to grow this thing. No wonder that you don't see this fruit around much, because just figuring out how to get the seeds out of here so we can plant them is going to be a real bear. Yeah, Joe, you're probably right. Cutting it. You know what I think I'll do? I'm just going to cut it in thin slices, put them in a flower pot, and wait.
Yeah, that's what I would do.
All right. Aloha. Hang loose. Happy gardening. And if you get a chance to taste India, it's worthwhile.